vest. Throwing up full, catch an opera, he dead. He rests.
What's going on YouTube? It's me, Elvis, bringing you guys my third video. I wanted to make a quick unboxing video of my first graphics card, the 3060 Ti. Honestly, I'm really excited that I even have this in my hands. There's always like a little bit of hype around graphics card, such as like the 3090, 3080. So having the 3060, I know I'm like a little bit behind, but nonetheless, it's cool to have one. Honestly, when I was doing my research between which graphics card I should go for, because these are costly, I was choosing between the 3060 and the 3060 Ti. And honestly, when I was doing my research, I noticed that the 12 gigabytes of RAM in the 3060, well, according to the research that I did, performed better in terms of like editing video software such as DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, where the 3060 performed better in terms of like rendering 1440p and 4K gaming resolution. So I was like, I don't play any games right now, but probably in the future if I do want to get into gaming, if I do get the 3060 Ti, I'm already equipped, whereas the 3060 kind of like struggle. So I was like, yeah, that was one of the reasons. Another reason as to why I purchased the 3060 Ti was because it was $80 more. So I was like, why not just get the one that offers more power but has less gigabytes of RAM. But nonetheless, I just wanted to make a quick unboxing video. I'm really excited. If you guys like this video, thank you for watching.